Hey guys, how's it going? This is Akram, your friendly neighborhood Facebook marketer. And today in this video, what we're going to be talking about is 5 tips that you can use right now to lower your cost per acquisition, whether it's leads or sales that you're after. You can use these tips right now in your business to lower your cost per acquisition. So let's not waste a lot of time and jump right into it. What is the first thing that we can do in order to lower our cost per acquisition? So the first thing that we need to look at it from a strategic point of view is how we can lower our cost per clicks. So CPC essentially means cost per clicks. And why this is important is for whatever offer that you're trying to promote, you're getting $1 per click, right? And now you have an idea about your funnel conversion rate, which let's say is converting at 5%. So you know, for example, if you get 100 clicks, you get 5 sales or you get 5 leads. So you have to spend $100 here to get 5 conversions. Now let's say if you were to get that CPC lowered to about 50 cents per click, what would happen is you would end up spending $50, but also at the same time you'd get the same amount of leads. So this is very important for you to lower your CPC. That also goes hand in hand with lowering your CPMs, which is cost per thousand impression. And also a way to do that is by using different creatives and getting higher click-through rates. And going into the second topic, what we can essentially do to get lower cost per acquisition is find more audiences. And the way we can do this is inside of Facebook. It's super powerful. You can build your own custom audiences based out of people who watched different multitudes of your video, whether it's 3 seconds, 10 seconds, 25%, 75%, 90% of your video, and create lookalike audiences of all those people who engaged with your audience, all the way from 1% to 10%, because you never know where your bucket of audiences are located. So you got to be able to test all. If you have a customer list or if you have a purchase conversion option on your website, you got to be able to scale that out into your lookalike audiences all the way from 1% to 10%. Don't be afraid to not test out all your audiences just because of the fact that you don't know if it's going to work or not. The only way to figure that out is actually you put your offer out there in front of all those different lookalike audiences that you can go after, in different countries as well. So find more audiences, because you never know if you're running an add to cart, or let's say a page view lookalike audience, maybe an add to cart will work better. Maybe your initiate checkout will work out better. Maybe your order form, your completed order form lookalike would work better. So that's the best way to do that. To lower your cost per acquisition. And the third thing I think is to increase your relevance scores. So what happens is essentially out of every 500 people that see your ad on Facebook, Facebook gives it kind of like a quality score. I think this is what they call it on Google AdWords, but on Facebook it's relevance score. And based on how people engage with your ad, based on all these other factors that I'm already talking to you about, they give you a score. So essentially what you want to be doing is you want to be trying to get your scores as up as 9 and 10. Facebook starts promoting your ad and showing it to more relevant people, because you're matching your offer, your messaging, your audience, everything is is combining together to give a better performance to your ads. So your ads start showing up to more people, and then eventually the Facebook algorithm goes out there and find more people who will be relevant to your ad or offer. The fourth step that we're going to be talking about is how to analyze your offer. So each offer, there's like different way of looking at it. For example, like you can put out an offer if you're having a drop shipping store. You can put out an offer saying, hey, get this product. It's free today. All you have to do is pay shipping, right? That's one angle to cover. Maybe a different angle to cover would be the product is at a 50% discount and it's free shipping, right? So there's like different offers that you can test out to see which one works the best, so that you can get your relevance scores, you can find profitable audiences and also lower your CPCs. So you have to do this hand in hand with each other. Not only just doing one of these elements will actually work and bring your cost per acquisitions down. And also one more thing, if you're getting a lot of bogus clicks, a lot of people just like click on it and not a lot of people end up purchasing or like converting or opting in or into your funnel, what you can do is you can start qualifying them with your ad text. Some marketers also call this ad copy or whatever, copywriting or something like that. But what essentially you can do is you can ask questions in your copy itself whether you like this, you know, whether you are having problems with this, whether whether this is something that, you know, can benefit your life. I know, like, trying to do all of these things might sound really frustrating. I have been there, trust me. And when you're first trying to figure all of this out, it could be really frustrating trying to do everything by yourself. But you know, with practice, guys, I think you'll get over there. And I hope this video has been really informative for you guys. I encourage you to really go out there and try all these different strategies that I'm sharing with you. And if you have any questions or difficulties, please shoot me a message so that I can help you out with each one of those and kind of give you a brief of what exactly each one can do. But until then, see you on a different video.